Removing and cleaning of 45-degree cut bowl drain pipe. Shut the inlet 1/2 ball valve on the booster pump. Discharge to the hopper. Tilt the hopper back using one hand to expose the underside of the hopper and view the bottom of the HCE bowl where the discharge pipe is located. Remove the discharge pipe with the other hand by sliding it out of the hole. Once removed, place the bowl drain pipe in the 1% acid solution and let it sit until all scale has dissolved. Take your spare bowl drain pipe and place it into the HCE bowl where the original was installed. Push in the drain pipe until snug and ensure the 45-degree cutaway is facing up and the longer side is on the bottom.